During World War II, it became increasingly clear to American citizens that Nazi Germany and the other Axis powers, Japan and Italy, were committing atrocities targeting European Jews and other groups. In 1944, Treasury Department staff, led by Henry Morgenthau Jr., persuaded President Franklin D. Roosevelt to establish the War Refugee Board. The War Refugee Board staff worked with Jewish organizations, diplomats from neutral countries, and resistance groups in Europe to rescue Jews from occupied territories and provide relief for Jews in hiding and in concentration camps. The Axis powers occupies all the countries in red. These are all the concentration camps in Europe. This is France, this is Italy, we have Germany right there with a lot of the concentration camps. And right here, we have Poland. And you can see Auschwitz has a bigger circle because that is a death camp. The War Refugee Board organized a psychological warfare campaign to prevent potential perpetrators, opened a refugee camp in upstate New York, and released the first details of mass murder at Auschwitz to the American people. This newspaper is the announcement of the War Refugee Board on January 22nd, 1944. President Roosevelt created a War Refuge Board tonight and directed it to attempt the rescue of the victims of enemy oppression who are in imminent danger of death. The board consists of the Secretaries of State, Treasury, and War, who are empowered to appoint a full-time executive director to administer the Refugee Assistance Program. The White House said Mr. Roosevelt stressed that it was urgent for action to be taken at once to forestall the plan of the Nazis to exterminate all the Jews. The War Refugee Board operated between January 22, 1944 to September 15, 1945, and played a crucial role in the rescue of tens of thousands of Jews. After the War Refugee Board's first director called their work little and late in comparison with the horror of the Holocaust.